Welcome. Today, we're going to take a look at StudySync novel studies, and you're going to be looking through a video that helps you navigate through the curriculum, library, and units in order to select and utilize the resources.
In this video, I'm going to outline the full text options and resources available within StudySync and where to find them. Whether you're looking at the full text anchor novels within the core ELA units, or looking for what other full text resources are available to you within StudySync. First, I'm going to point out how to locate the full text resources within the core ELA curriculum. In my StudySync teacher account, I'm going to navigate to my Core ELA tab. For this example, I'm going to take a look at the 6th grade curriculum, although I can also navigate to my grade level via this gray bar at the top. At each grade level, StudySync's Core ELA curriculum provides multiple anchor novel choices within the 4 thematic units. Each Core ELA unit anchor novel option includes a teacher edition and student edition reading guide with recommendations and support for a close reading of the anchor novel, and an optional full text unit with comparative text study. For 2 of the anchor novels per grade level, StudySync also provides the complete digital copy of the text as a PDF and EPUB file. Let's take a look at what these resources look like. I'm going to go into grade 6, unit 1 as my example. And I'll find these anchor novel resources in the full text study blade. Here I can see the recommended anchor novel options for this unit, Turning Points, where I have the options of The Story of My Life by Helen Keller or Hatchet. If I click on a title, that will drop down the list of resources to go along with that anchor novel option. For Hatchet, you can see the 3 standard pieces that are available with each of the anchor novel options. A teacher and student edition reading guide to go along with that full text. So for example, looking at the teacher guide, I will find lessons to support the reading of the novel Hatchet. These are organized into sections, and with each I'll find key passages, information about why that is key, discussion recommendations, vocabulary words, and close read questions with sample answers. The student edition will not include that additional information, but will just be the key passage, discussion information, vocabulary words, and close read questions for each section. In addition, I have a link to the optional full text unit with comparative texts. Within the full text unit, I'll find an instructional path full of supplements pulled from the StudySync library that I may want to read along with Hatchet, and comparative assignments between the supplement and that anchor novel. For The Story of My Life, teachers have access to those same resources, the 2 reading guides, and a full text unit of comparative text assignments, as well as a digital copy of the full novel in both PDF and EPUB formats. The Story of My Life is one of the 2 titles in grade 6 that has the complete digital copy of the text. The other title is The Monsters Are Due on Maple Street, which is found in Unit 3. StudySync provides the full digital copy of the work wherever possible based on permissions law. Those are the resources available with the anchor novel choices in those 4 thematic core ELA units. Now, let's take a look at the full text resources in the StudySync library. Here, you'll be able to find full text PDFs and full text resources to support the reading of a full work individually, both those that are found as those anchor novel choices in the core units and additional full text options. To find full text options in the library for the digital copies of the full work, first navigate to your library tab, and in the Texts area, click on Advanced to open up the filter options. Here you can select the full text feature, which will pull up all titles that have the full digital copy of the text. Click on any title within the results. And then on the overview page, the very first page you land on, scroll down to the full text section where you will find that full novel in PDF and EPUB formats. Please note that even though a title may say a particular scene or chapter number, that is referring to the lesson materials of the read section, the vocabulary, the short answer think questions, or the writing prompts. Those will apply to a selection that's being used for a close read within the larger work. But if it uses that full text filter, the overview page will include the PDF and EPUB files of the entire work. You can also access the comparative units to go along with a novel from the library. Navigate to the Units area in the gray bar and open the Advanced Filter section. Click on the Full Text filter to see all of the literature pieces that include a full text unit of comparative selections. This will take me straight into that comparative unit where I have an instructional path full of those recommended supplements and comparative assignments. And I also have a quick link here to the reading guides from the full text study to support my reading of the full work. So I can access the recommended anchor texts from within the unit or find individual novel resources within the StudySync library.
I trust you found this information helpful, and if you need further assistance, one, you can go to the StudySync Help unit and look under Resources to find this video to access again or find other types of resources to help you. Or you can contact me at french@conevalley.net asking for assistance. Or you can call me at 619-840-8940 and we can set up a time to meet. Have a great day.